Hey friends, Steve Harpster here. I'm going to show you how to draw this really fun cartoon character. We're going to use a lowercase letter H. We're going to turn this into Hungry Howie. He's a kind of a sloppy, weird cartoon chef character. So I'm just going to draw some eyes right there. Now I'm going to be coloring my character in as we're drawing, but you should wait till the very end. I'm just doing it for an effect. We're going to add the chef's hat, so we're just going to draw another line here. And let's draw two curved lines like so. And I'll just make that chef's hat like a very light blue in color. Our chef, Howie, needs a big old nose, so we can draw a nose like this. Of course, we can get really big. We can make it a nose like this. That's pretty big. We can even go really... Whoa! No, that's too big. Let's just do this. And I'm also going to add eyebrows. Now we're going to add a beard. So we're just going to go around. I'm going to draw about half of it here. And then I'm going to start on the other side and draw the other half. And now that we got that nice cartoony beard, let's add a mouth in there as well. So you can either make your character like angry, you can make your character happy, you can make your character worried. You know, whatever kind of mouth you want to add is up to you. I'm going to go with the happier mouth and add some big old SpongeBob teeth. I also want to give this character some ears. So we're just going to draw some big old ears here on the sides of the head. Now look how easy that was. Now remember, we're not trying to draw perfect, we're just having fun, and this is the first time you've drawn this character, so don't try and be perfect. Just have fun, do crazy things, make wild stuff happen. Let's add a body. We're gonna draw a line here, and a line down here, and then we're gonna connect. Kind of looks like a big old dinner bell, ding, 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 if we ring it like that. Yeah, you can make it like a bell. But that is our character's, that's our character's coat or smock or I don't know what, uniform. And then we're just gonna draw a little line here and let's add some buttons on that uniform. I'm gonna go ahead and call these buttons a nice yellow color. And then for those legs and feet, we're just gonna draw, look at this, we're just gonna draw a line right there at the bottom and these two lines like that. Kind of looks like a letter B on its side, and then we just add lines here. And a little line there. We got the pants. And I'll make the shoes gray with a little bit of a light gray highlight. And make those pants a dark blue. And then let's add the character's arms. We're going to draw a shape here and a shape here with cartoon fingers. Just like that. Check that out, we just drew Hungry Howie. That's right, how easy was that? It all started with a lowercase letter H. So in my art club, Harptooniacs, I have these picker wheels. So what we do is we just slide down here, and we go to this picker wheel, just hit show more, and we're gonna spin this wheel and see what kind of crazy thing we're gonna add to our chef, or maybe we have to change it completely. Hey, let's see what we get. We have, a bag of money. Let's go ahead and add that to our chef. Oh, and while you're here at Harptooniacs, go ahead and check out just how many videos there are. All these different how to draw videos, and there's some free ones that you can try. Just click on the link below. So let's just add those bags of money. So draw a bag of money over here. Check that out. Money. About two big bags of money. One over here as well. Of course, our character's face will be a lot happier with that bag of money, right? So let's add I think this guy might need some dental work. Maybe with all this money, buy some new teeth. Look how crazy I made those eyes. And check this out, when Hungry Howie became a millionaire, gave up the chef life. Yep, gave up being a chef, started living the good life. There we go. Yeah, so there's our Hungry Howie. Now it's just rich money bags Howie. We started off with a chef, And then we transformed it into a billionaire. Artists, have you had a blast drawing with me? I had a blast drawing with you. Make sure you check out my art club. There's a link below. You can try some free videos. And I do school visits. So if you want me to visit your school, let your teachers know. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to do a lot more drawing, creating, and imagining.
Grab your pencil and your paper and turn on your imagination.